Ever wonder if you could give your kids a debit card without the fear of them spending your entire paycheck on V-Bucks and bubble tea? Or maybe you're managing a small business and you want to give your team a way to pay for supplies, but with a strict cap on what they can spend. If you've ever found yourself in either of those situations, you've probably asked the same question I have: can I set limits on a Mamo pay card? The short answer is a resounding yes, and it's one of the best features of the Mamo app. The Mamo pay card isn't just a regular debit card, it's a powerful financial tool designed for control and flexibility. It gives you the power to manage exactly how and where money is spent, making it perfect for families and businesses alike. So, how does it work? Mamo has created a system that allows you to set two types of limits: a daily spend limit and a total balance limit. Let's break down the daily spend limit first. This is exactly what it sounds like. You can decide the maximum amount that can be spent on the card in a single 24-hour period. For example, if you set a daily limit of $50, your cardholder can't spend more than that amount, even if the card has a much higher balance. This is perfect for giving your teenager a budget for lunch and gas without worrying about them getting carried away. The beauty of this is that it resets every day, so they have a fresh $50 to work with tomorrow. Now, let's talk about the total balance limit. This is a bit different. Instead of controlling how much can be spent per day, this feature lets you set a maximum amount of money that can ever be on the card at one time. For instance, if you set a total balance limit of $200, you can't load more than that amount onto the card. This is fantastic for project-based spending. Imagine you've got a team member who needs to buy supplies for a specific event with a $200 budget. You can set the total balance limit to $200, and you know they can't overspend because the card simply won't let them. Once the balance hits zero, you can either reload it or, if the project is done, just leave it as is. The combination of these two features gives you an incredible amount of control. You can use them together to create a super strict budget, or you can use them separately depending on your needs. A daily limit is great for ongoing, day-to-day expenses, while a total balance limit is perfect for one-off projects or for giving someone a fixed amount of money for a specific purpose. The Mamo app makes all of this incredibly easy to manage. You don't need to call a bank or fill out any forms. You simply open the app, navigate to the pay card you want to manage, and with a few taps, you can set or adjust the limits. You can increase them for special occasions or decrease them if you notice a pattern of unnecessary spending. The power is literally in your hands. This level of control doesn't just prevent overspending, it also promotes financial literacy. By giving your kids a limited card, you're teaching them how to budget and make responsible spending decisions within a safe and controlled environment. For businesses, it streamlines expense management, making it easier to track and control project costs. The Mamo Pay Card is more than just a piece of plastic, it's a tool for smart, intentional spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.